Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to share with you all how to write answers in GS paper. So this question is asked in 2013 and in GS paper 2. So guys, I was a little bit busy because of my examinations and so without wasting time, I think I should start this answer writing. And first of all, I read questions. The discuss the impact of India's changing relations with its neighbors on regional stability and India's foreign policy objectives. And so I'm writing answer here. First of all, we need to give introduction. Sorry. Yes. First of all, we need to give introduction and about India's neighborhood. Like so, India's neighbor neighborhood. India's neighborhood often referred to as South Asia, South Asia or Indian subcontinent, subcontinent comprises comprises countries that share geographically proximity and and historical historical cultural relations. So the reason is the reason is of strategic strategic importance to India due to its impact due to its impact on regional stability, security, and economic growth. So I give an introduction, and I'm here making India's map and its neighborhood also. See how I make map. I hope it will good. Yes. So here's neighborhood. Bangladesh, Nepal, China, Pakistan, India, so Myanmar, this is Sri Lanka, and this is Afghanistan, So we will discuss about current scenario. What is the relations with countries which is Nepal. So current scenario. So with China, India's relations, China India relations. So China's growing growing influences in South Asia, highlighted did by initiatives like initiatives like Belt Road initiative BRI, in short form BRI, which lead to strategic concern for India. And next, with India and Pakistan relations. Very pardon for my answer writing, because the handwriting is very bad, it seems to me. But how is it in your opinion? Give me in comment section, please. So India and Pakistan relations relations uh married by conflicts and terrorism have a significant have a significant significant impact on regional stability. So guys, we discuss about to we give example as a current scenario with the relationship of China and India, and India and Pakistan. And next uh, we talks about the impact on stability regional stability. regional stability So it is like, first, the security concerns. Second is China's factor, China influences. Third is economic cooperation. Transitional Fourth is transnational challenges, like terrorism, illicit trade, practices, environmental issues, environmental issues, global global warming, etc. Fifth is that soft power, soft power diplomacy. Next, we write about what is India's foreign policy. So, India's foreign policies. First is that East India, sorry, Act, this is East policy. Second is that strategic autonomy. Third is that neighborhood, neighborhood first policy. So fourth is that economic integration. So 4 point I wrote it, and next page. So what should be next? What should be next step? What should be next step? So security dilemmas, dilemmas like balancing securities concerns with the imperative for dialogue and cooperations remains a challenge. I hope you getting my points. What is what I want to convey you all. That security dilemmas, which is balancing security concern with the imperative for dialogue and cooperation remains a challenges, uh, particularly in particularly in conflict prone regions like Kashmir, and next is China influences. First point, second point is that China influencing in South China Sea, South China Sea. So there is need to curb on China's expanding power you can say territorial power, territorial reasons. जैसे कि आप लोग को पता है कि चाइना का जो है वो टेरिटोरियल एक्सपेंशन वो करता रहता है, और साउथ चाइना से में ज़्यादातर मतलब कि वो धांधलियाँ करता है हर मतलब की चीज़ में। तो उसको रोकना बहुत ही ज़रूरी है, और उसका जो बेल्ट रोड इनिशिएटिव है उसको उस पर ध्यान देना इंटरनेशनली बहुत ज़रूरी है. So we can mention it is in here. So Belt and Road Initiative should be discouraged. This should be discouraged. Should be discouraged at international level. International level. And third is about domestic policies. So domestic policies like bilateral relations, or necessities necessitating flexibility and pragmatism in India's approach. So we discuss here, and next I will write a conclusion. So India's evolving relations with its neighbor have far-reaching implications for regional stability and its foreign policy objectives. While challenges persist, proactive engagement, dialogues and cooperations offer avenues for advancing mutual and mutual interest and fostering a conductive conductive environment for peace and prosperity in the region. So here I completed my answer, and once I recall it, I'm so sorry for my handwriting, and but it seems me very bad today. But I will improve my handwriting for sure, guys. So once I uh, recall it. So the question was, discuss the impact of India's changing relations with its neighbor on regional stability and India's foreign policy objectives. UPSC question, which is asked in 2013, and answer is India's neighborhood, often referred to as South Asia or Indian subcontinent, comprises uh, countries that share geographical proximity and historical cultural relations. One minute, 1 second, guys. Have yes, I have my highlighter. So here is, I will also highlight point. So India's neighborhood, often referred to as South Asia or Indian subcontinent, comprises South subcontinent, comprising countries that share sorry, proximity and historical cultural relations. The reasons is the reason is strategic importance to India due to its impact on a regional stability and security and economic growth. And current scenario, India's and China relations. So in China growing influences in South Asia, so highlighted by initiatives like Belt and Road Initiative, BRI, which lead to strategic concern for India. And I also made a map of India and its neighbor. So here India, and his Sri Lanka, his Bangladesh. I am so sorry for. There is also Bhutan. यहाँ पे छूट गया है. ये भूटान है. भूटान, म्यांमार, फिर चाइना, फिर ये नेपाल है, ये है बांग्लादेश, सॉरी, पाकिस्तान. एंड so India's and Pakistan relations. India and Pakistan relations, uh, marred by conflicts and terrorism, have a significant impact on regional stability. And impact of regional stability, next topic, next heading is that. So security concerns, China influences economic growth, economic cooperation, transnational challenges like terrorism, illicit trade practices, environmental issues, global warming, etc. Fifth point is that soft power diplomacy. And India's foreign policy. What is India's foreign policies? East policy, Act East policy, and second is strategic autonomy. Third is neighborhood first policy. Fourth is economic integration policy. So, what should next step? So, security dilemma. So, balancing security concern with the imperative for dialogue and cooperation. Dialogue and cooperation remains challenges, particularly in conflict prone regions like Kashmir, and China influences in South China Sea. There is a need to curb on China expanding power. Uh, we focus on territorial reasons. Belt Road initiative should be discouraged by at international level. And domestic policy like bilateral relations necessitating flexibility and pragmatism in India's approach. And so next is conclusion. India's evolving relations with its neighbor have for reaching implications for regional stability and its foreign policy objectives. Uh, while challenging persist, proactive engagement, dialogue, and cooperation often avenues for advancing mutual interest and fostering a conductive environment for peace and prosperity in region. So here I completed this answer. I hope you guys are getting me what I'm try to answer in this question. And according to me, uh, the preparation was all about practice. So do practice a lot for men's and start writing start writing answers because of because this is main factor. Actually, you how much you learn from this way, we it is ensured that how much you learn from your classes, your book, so how much you understand. And once you write an question answer, you will learn what is you getting, राइट। आप क्या मतलब समझ पा रहे हो, ये इससे ये निर्धारित होता है कि आप किस तरह से आप आंसर कर रहे हो। और ज़्यादातर जो है कि इंग्लिश में लिखना या फिर हिंदी में लिखना जो भी है, कि आप हिंदी मीडियम हो या इंग्लिश मीडियम हो, कोई भी मीडियम हो, आपको आंसर राइटिंग प्रैक्टिस करना स्टार्ट कर देना चाहिए। क्योंकि मेंस में जो है प्रीलिम्स का तो मार्क्स जुड़ता नहीं है रैंक को निर्धारित करने में, और मेंस का ही जुड़ता है। तो इसके लिए आपको बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत करना पड़ेगा, और 3 घंटे में 20 क्वेश्चंस को कंप्लीट करना ये बहुत बड़ी बात होती है। और इसके लिए आपको लगातार पूरी मतलब शिद्दत से मेहनत करना होगा और आंसर राइटिंग करनी स्टार्ट करनी होगी। मेरे आंसर्स पहले बहुत ही ख़राब आते थे, एंड मतलब कि मैं धीरे धीरे लिखना स्टार्ट कर दी, और इस तरह से मेरे आंसर में अब क्वेश्चन मतलब एक लेवल है कि मैं पहले इंट्रोडक्शन लिख देती हूँ और फिर मेन बॉडी लिखती हूँ। उसमें भी जो भी होता है टॉपिक वो और वो सब लिख के, और साथ में मैपिंग वगैरह धीरे धीरे आई विल ऑल्सो राइट जियोग्राफी वाला क्वेश्चन। और डिफरेंट डिफरेंट मैं इससे भी लिखना स्टार्ट करूँगी। लेकिन अभी मैंने इससे वैसे ही रैंडमली लिखा था एक दिन, लेकिन वो अच्छा नहीं हुआ। लेकिन अभी मैं उसको भी लिखना स्टार्ट करूँगी और फिर मैं आप लोगों को दिखाऊँगी भी। तो आई होप यू गाइज आप लोग समझ पा रहे हैं कि मैं आंसर राइटिंग के थ्रू आप लोगों को क्या ये सोच रही हूँ कि आप लोग भी लिखना स्टार्ट करें। एंड ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट फॉर योर प्रिपरेशन, और आप मेहनत करते रहें और आंसर राइटिंग करते रहें। All the very best, and thanks for watching my videos. Keep doing this, and also study hard for your preparation. And thank you so much for watching my video.